Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll show you how to hide apps from screen time on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, select Allowed Apps and Features. This is where you can control app visibility on your home screen. Now simply toggle off any app you want to hide. For example, if you want to hide the Mail app, just turn it off here. Remember, this only hides the app from your home screen. It doesn't delete it. Go back to your home screen and you'll see the app is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully hidden apps from screen time restrictions on iPhone. This works for parental controls and personal use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more quick tutorials.